Patagonia is stunning and definitely the most beautiful place that I have ever been to. We started in elchalten, the gateway to Patagonia, and a 3-hour flight from Buenos Aires. We boarded a bus the next morning to tour the Glacier National Park and hike on the Perito Moreno Glacier. The views of the glacier were stunning from the balconies. We took a boat to the other side, passing by the front of the glacier. It was windy, cold and snowing, but the views were out of this world. We put on crampons and hiked on the glacier for an hour, before ending with a glass of whiskey with glacier ice. The next morning we took a bus to elchalten, the hiking capital of South America. The views on this 3-hour ride were spectacular. After checking into our hotel, we decided to do the easy 5-mile hike to the Salto waterfall. At 5 the next morning, we started the hike to the base of Mount Fitzroy, a grueling 13-mile round trip with an elevation gain of 3,500 feet. We huffed and we puffed, but we did it.
The lake, and it's cloudy. I prefer to wait for
The last mile was the hardest, but we finally made it to the beautiful lake at the base of the mountain. Please like, subscribe and comment, so that I can make more content. We then flew to Ushuaia, the southernmost city in the world, where we toured the Tierra del Fuego National Park before boarding our ship to Antarctica. We didn't ride the train. We boarded a ship to Antarctica. Watch my video on our trip to Antarctica. We went to Patagonia in Chile next. Watch my Chile Patagonia video, coming soon.